This last basic inequality has a new obstacle, namely the parentheses. So the first thing you do is to get rid of them by distributing -4. Next, I add 16 to both sides, which can be seen as like moving the -16 to the opposite side, and I combined 4u and 5u. You can stop right here, but if you put the u on the left-hand side, it makes it easier to draw the graph and to write the interval solution. Note that the greater than symbol is suggestive of an arrow emanating from an open circle at 4. To check our answer, we will get a number greater than 4 and another number not greater than 4. We will plug them into the original equation. Pick any number greater than 4, say 5. Plug it in the original equation. So a number greater than 4 satisfies the original inequality. Now pick a number not greater than 4, say 0, and we'll come up with a false inequality. So that means that u greater than 4 is the correct solution set. Now we go to this compound inequality, which is an OR inequality. You solve the two inequalities separately. Using the same techniques, we come up with u greater than or equal to -4 or u less than 3. The variables are on the left-hand side, so it is easy to draw the graphs for each of these basic inequalities. On the blank number line, we merge these two graphs, beginning from the graph for u less than 3. Then we copy the graph for u greater than or equal to -4. It extends from -4 all the way to infinity. So this means that all reals are the solution set. So the solution set in interval notation is -infinity to infinity. Note that we never use square brackets for the infinity symbols. They are always open brackets or parentheses. This is an end compound inequality. The solution set is the overlap or the intersection of the solution sets of the two inequalities. You don't need to do this, but technically at each step of the solution, the two inequalities are joined by end. The variables are on the left-hand side, so we can graph them easily. Let's extend the arrows and look for the overlap. So if we put one graph on top of the other, they will overlap at -1 to 4, that segment. The interval notation for the solution set is -1 to 4 square brackets on both sides. The set builder notation for the solution set is written this way. Now check your answer. Try a point inside the interval, let's say 0. Plug it into the original inequalities and see if the inequalities remain true. And in this case, both are true. So with high probability, our answer is correct.